Hi everyone, we are back for Tech Tuesday. I am Sarah with Northwest Map.
And I'm Sharon, and we started a new series last week about virtual desktops. And so we wanted to dig in a little bit more about the different uses and why they are so amazing and why they are a product we have had a lot of success with clients who are happy with the service that they offer. And so just as a brief overview, what they do is that they really create an ease of use. So they are really simple to use. You literally log into an app with your login that you get assigned, and you're in business. It mirrors your desktop. Nothing changes. None of your files change. Everything's exactly where you already know where it is. No one wants to have to relearn a system or where their things are kept. So we mirror everything that you already have going on. We just put it on a remote desktop so that it's secure and safe, and you can log into it from anywhere, making it really easy. The migration process is really simple. People get hung up on, gosh, am I going to be down several days? How complicated is it going to be to transfer everything? Again, everything is mirrored. It's done overnight, over a weekend, and then you're back and up and running the next business day. So there's no downtime that comes with if you are interested in transferring to a virtual desktop or virtual server.
Yeah. So, and one of the biggest, misconceptions is equating it to an on-premise system. So, if you've worked at any kind of company that has its own network, there's a server room with a ton of computer equipment and switches and all of that. And really, truly, it eliminates the need for all of that. It is actually more secure than having your own server on site. Because what happens if something happens to your building? What happens? That server is gone. All of that data is gone. Hopefully you had some backups that took place that you can restore some data from. But it's also very expensive. Most servers are starting out at $10,000 and going up from there, depending on the type of network that you need to have. And so the huge misconception is that the cloud isn't secure. Well, it's actually more secure.
Way more secure.
It's in a data center, like DoD level security. It's crazy, insane secure. A question that we get a lot about virtual desktops is, I have licenses for Office and QuickBooks and all of, Adobe, all these other pieces of software. Well, what they do is they let you bring your licenses. And when your licenses are ready for renewal, you can either renew them directly with whatever virtual desktop hosted provider that you've selected, or you can, renew them outside of that and then just provide them with the license keys. It's very common, especially for applications like Adobe and QuickBooks. So the other thing is backups. Backup is the hugest thing ever for virtual desktops and for any type of environment for that matter. The backup schedule for most of the virtual desktop providers is a minimum of twice a day. And there's a local backup. It's super important. There's a local backup that happens and then it immediately gets mirrored over to an offsite backup. So a minimum of 2 times a day. So that if something were to happen, your data can be restored and get restored quickly, and you're good to go.
Yeah, so lots of benefits to using virtual desktops, the cloud, and servers. So shoot us some comments or messages if you're interested. We would love to just give you more information. We can do a quick discovery call. We're always happy to answer questions. Go ahead and find us on Facebook, LinkedIn. We have a great website, and we will check back again with you next week on Tech Tuesday.
Bye.
Bye.